In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can even mine Darksteel faster than anyone into this game so that you will be able to earn more money from this game as well. So before I start into this tutorial, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome update. So please do subscribe into my channel. It will really help me a lot, okay? So let's just go back here. If you are already level 40, okay, what you just need to do here is from Bicheon Valley, okay, from Bicheon Valley you actually want to go into a snake pit area, okay. Why is that? Because there are lesser competition in Snake Valley, and also there are a lot of people here in Bicheon Valley. So if you are planning to be an AFK into this game, then probably I won't recommend you to do that, because there might be some people that will PK, which means player kill. So there might be some people who will player kill you so that he or she will get this mine resources here, okay. So what you just need to do is go into the map, go back into this, go to the global map, and go into the snake pit area and go for a snake valley. And then what you just need to do here is just go into the 3rd floor or 4th floor section. It depends on what you like, but in my case I will be going into the 4th floor section. So just move it. And the good thing here into this game is that you can play it automatically. What does it mean? When you're clicking something, you want to go into some what do you call that? Some sort of a place. Then probably you can do it right now. I mean this guy is really strong. So let's just go back again here. So global map, snake pit area, snake valley, and snake valley 4th floor. And let's just put the move section over here. So just need to do this, okay, auto move, okay. So let's just auto move this, because if you're going to reach into a snake valley, into this same floor, you will be earning 2x of the Darksteel. It is because depending on like the positioning, the Darksteel that you are trying to mine, it varies on how much money or how much Darksteel that you will be able to get. And also, if you're going to get more Darksteel tokens, then probably you will be able to make more Draco into this game. So in my case, I do already have 100, and I do have already 2 Dracos. So because I became AFK for like few days, because there's a lot of things that I need to do into myself as well. So let's just go forward there, okay. So I think you are into the 1st floor of Bicheon Valley. So especially this kind of ores, you won't make that much into this, okay. In Snake Valley, if let's say there's a lot of people that are into the higher mining cores, you can mine this kind of ores in the Snake Valley a lot more easier, because there are lesser people into that location. And also, for you to be able to go into that location, you need to accomplish level 40, and of course there will be a new map that will be unlocked as well. So make sure that you know that field already if you are playing this game, because it's very important that you will mine at the right position, at the right spot. And that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm moving forward into the Snake Valley, and let's just really wait for some few more minutes, and I will be in there, because I don't know, I can't what do you call that, I can teleport into that part because of low propensity points. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do on that, but that's basically how we are going to do this. So let's just support this while we're waiting. So do not forget also to help your team into this, so cooperate always. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm cooperating, and then I'm going back here and just going into the snake pit. So now we are in the snake pit. We are just seconds closer into the snake valley. So you will be able to access this map once you are level 40 already. And if you have a guts to be able to reach level 90 or so, you'll be able to be into that part as well. So let's look at the rankings over here. So I think this dude is level 68. Like, holy cow, dude. This dude is straight like legit player out there. So he is a Chinese, but he is really grinding a lot into this game. And of course, the higher the level that you have, the chances of you getting PK'd are also low. Okay, just remember that. So it's always worth it to level up and everything. So if you're going to mine here, okay, it's going to be easier for you to mine into this part because there are no what they call that, there are no competition, or there are no people that are mining that much into this location. So in my case, I'm getting 37 Darksteel. Okay, so what I'm just going to do is just find a mining, okay, that is blue or red, because this one is green. Okay, if you will find a mining that is blue or red, then you are actually doing the right thing. So let's just continue this. So let's just go to the 4th floor and then just click the move button. And also you can expect that there are a lot of people that are in there. Okay, so let's check this one if this is a blue. So sadly it is not. So let's just move forward here, because that is our goal actually. So let's go forward again into the Snake Valley, and then just click the move button, and of course just get your mounts ready. So we will go into the 4th floor. Okay, I know this might take some time, but it is entirely worth it, guys. Okay, believe me, it is entirely worth it. Of course, this game is pretty much challenging because this is a free to play, and also you are earning money. So of course there are more people that are going to try to earn from you or outwork you in terms of this, because especially you just need to have a time here and you will be able to make money in Draco. So let's just go forward into the upper side. So let me just click this. So this is a free to play again, so I hope you are reminded on this. So let's go into I'm not sure about this, 3rd floor. So let's go to the 3rd floor and let's see if we can find a mine wherein we can get some tokens. So I'm not sure if I'm going to PK this one, because you can always do it, but you can mine it. Okay, oh, she is a level 41, but let's try if he is what they call that, AFK. Okay, he is an AFK, so we can take advantage of this. So we can do this one, guys, if you can afford to. So this is what you call PK. You just need to put this into the carnal mode and you will be able to do it right now. So that's what I'm doing. So I need to also kill this faster because he is regenerating. So let me just finish this. So he is now level just 12 HP away. So now he is let's just finish this, because if he dies, we will be able to get this this spot over here. Okay, so it's very important to of course have your way into this kind of stuff so that you will be able to earn. And yep, that's what I'm doing. Just last 7,000 health. It's just that he is healing a lot. So let's click the mine option here. So let's click the mine. So after you're mining, so 9, 8, 7, 6. Oh, okay, so he is killing me. So okay, I'm just going to back off there. I'm just going to let her what they call that, get that spot already. Okay, So let's find some spot. We can't PK that much. Okay. We won't actually win on that part. So let's look at the other stuff. Oh, this is a perfect spot, to be honest. So what you just need to do is just click this and then switch into the auto. So what happens here is that when you're mining, okay, you'll be able to get a Darksteel here. So you're getting 64 Darksteel instead of 37 to 40, and that is why it's very important to find a location like a mining Darksteel in a blue spot. So this is the blue spot over here. So into this part right here, just look into your what do you call that, into your location, and after you've done that, guys, make sure that if you have some people or you have some clan member that can help you into this part, then probably you will be able to earn money more in terms of Darksteel, and even convert it into a token as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. So in my case, right, I'm basically milking Darksteel right now, so I kind of like it. So again, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome update, and see you on my next video.